Hey people, it is Monday, March the 13th, and it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's currently 1 degree Celsius, and I'm standing here outside of the Better Living Center at the exhibition grounds west of downtown Toronto, near the Lake Ontario shoreline, and Ontario Place is nearby. And the reason I'm here is because inside this giant space, a local annual parade is being set up, and that would be the St. Patrick's Day parade, which is taking place this coming Sunday on the 17th. And I was invited to come and take a look around at the parade preparations that are ongoing inside here. So we're going to head inside and check out all the floats and different aspects of the parade, which are all being put together. And here we are inside. And as you can see, this is an enormous space here. And right over here is where all the parade floats are being assembled. So let's do a little walkthrough here. You can see some of the banners that are all laid out. And there's a lot of them. Every big parade has tons of banners in between the floats. And speaking of floats, so we're getting a sneak peek here of what you can expect on St. Patrick's Day. All the floats are labeled as to what their theme is. This one is called Gandalf over here, and you'll see why in a moment. And there's Gandalf. So the St. Patrick's Day Parade is one of the biggest parades taking place in Toronto every year. It attracts a huge audience. But not everything is strictly Irish themed. Gotta have some fun things for the kids to enjoy. And it's still in keeping with something Canadian. Maybe I'll try and stick my head through there for a thumbnail pic. Very Irish looking. red hair is certainly a theme here. And there's more over here. Hi there. And here's the Silver Elvis float. You might remember Silver Elvis, who was a regular character at Yonge and Dundas at one time and at other locations around the city. Well, he's still going strong.
What's up with you?
And more fun stuff to entertain the kids.
Don't worry about it. No, it happens every time, all the time. I want to get you the check for the stuff that you bought, the pizza you bought. So, what the age you got to it?
Wow. Wouldn't want to mess with that fella. So this is obviously a huge undertaking here. Getting everything ready. Tons of volunteers. Got some spooky looking leprechaun guys here. That rhinoceros is pretty much life-size, as is the lion. And lots of the little odds and ends that are made use of between the floats for the kids to walk along with, to add some visual splendor to the parade. And many of the local unions will be represented in the parade as well. They provide a lot of the donations that keep the parade going every year. It's more leprechauns. You can't have a St. Patrick's Day parade without leprechauns. And some of the local volunteers who make the parade happen every year.
We never pay the 20 points up front. We only pay
And over here's the Grand Marshal of the parade, the voice of the Toronto Raptors. This is a very interesting one. It looks almost like something out of Dr. Seuss. And there's something way over here. You can see just how enormous this space is. The parade could be 10 times its current size and they'd still have enough space in here to set everything up. I thought I wouldn't want to mess with that other guy from earlier, but I don't think that other guy would want to mess with this guy. Oh, and he has a friend. And hard at work. How you doing? I talked to both of those guys earlier. They're really awesome guys. I'm not sure if these cars belong to some of the volunteers. Just, hey, why park outside when you can park inside? Just a guess. It's more than enough room. So I think I covered most everything currently on site here. It'll be good to see the parade back in full force this year. I did cover a bit of last year's parade. And I might live stream some of this year's parade. I haven't decided yet. Certainly something I'm considering doing. So I think I will start to wrap up the sneak preview of the 2023 Toronto St. Patrick's Day Parade here at the Better Living Centre at Exhibition Place. It was an honor to be invited to come in and take a look around. So my thanks go out to those who made that possible for me. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Do you attend the parade every year? Are you looking forward to it this year? And be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And also be sure to hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. And if you'd like to support the channel, there are links in the description where you can do so via PayPal, as well as via my merch store. And there's also a super thanks button right down below if you'd like to support the channel that way. And you can find me on Instagram also under KContinuum. So thanks for watching, and be sure to keep checking back, because as always I will continue, and so will the Toronto St. Patrick's Day Parade. Unicorns and all. And centaurs. And don't forget the leprechauns.